Are you only willing to spend $40,000 cash on your next motorhome, but it has to be a diesel pusher? Then this may be one good option for you. This is the 2001 Rexall Airbus. It's a 40-foot floor plan with a Cummins motor, Roadmaster chassis, and a side-mounted radiator. I'm going to go through a quick video on why it's a good idea, and it may be a better idea to finance something and buy something newer. First off, let's start with the good. The Roadmaster chassis is top 2 or top 3 chassis that were made and built during the mid-90s through the late 2000s. You have a lot of spacious pass-through cargo area, 2 possible battery compartments, and a better airbag system than most of the other chassis out there. Rexall, which was built by Bill Rex, was one of the better entry-level motorhomes built. I would say probably the closest to being better at the entry-level point was probably the Fleetwood Bounder. Now the downside is you're going to, if you're buying an older unit like this, you are going to pour money into upgrading a lot of the technology. Now, luckily for this customer that consigned this at My RV in El Cajon, California, they already did a few of the upgrades already. Television, the digital antenna conversion, things of that nature. But one of the bad things about buying an older motorhome like this is you don't know what the problems are until you get into the guts of it. In fact, previous owners may not know what the problems are, or may have ignored the problems or not even known it has a problem. That's the up and down of buying used motorhomes, of buying anything that is 20 plus years old. But then again, if you look at the cabinetry work, you look at all the storage, you look at the floor plan, these worked for a lot of folks that wanted to travel. You want to go out for weeks at a time, a month at a time. Maybe you were a 6-month full-timer. All the storage and the uniqueness of the living area of the floor plans, they don't build those anymore. That homey feeling, that feeling of going to grandma's house, or maybe it was your home at one point and it isn't as modern and white cabinetry wise as a lot of RVs are now. You got the big bathtub, the big enclosed shower. So there's a lot of good things and there's a lot of bad things, guys. And I don't have the time in this particular motorhome to go over them all. But let me just leave you with this. If you want to know more about what I feel about private party and cash buying on RVs, look in the top right hand corner of this video and I got a great explanation in there for you.